Hey everyone, my name is Alejandro Dominguez, and I'm here to talk about the rare earth theory slash Jupiter shielding. Let's get right into it. So, the rare earth theory. The rare earth theory is an idea put forth by Ward and Brownlee. This whole theory revolves around the concept of chance. Chance being that the Earth, having so many unique features to its name, that in the vast universe that we have explored, there are no other ones out there, and it is virtually unique to this quadrant of the galaxy. Looking at some of the factors this theory looks at, it closely examines animal evolution, how it happened, the moon being a perfect example because it happened by chance, the size of our planet being such a good size to host human life and oxygen. Another one would be the distance from the sun, the fact that we're not too close yet not too far from the sun is perfect, and another one that we'll get into the next slide being Jupiter. Because of all these factors, we can probably this theory concludes that there is no other forms of high intelligence life forms out there that live on a planet like Earth, and therefore our Earth is virtually unique, and there are no other ones out there like that. We're special. Looking closely at the final point that this theory presented about Jupiter being a shield, Jupiter being a shield in the sense that since Jupiter is such a massive planet, it has a bigger pool because it has a gravitational pull far superior to Earth's. I don't know, it's a good thing, but it is 14 times stronger than Earth's gravitational pull, and therefore lots of asteroids and comets will be going towards Earth, but have to pass by Jupiter first. And since Jupiter pulls them towards it, they'll either hit Jupiter or get thrown off into the far galaxy, far away from the solar system, and they will not come back for another good thousands or millions of years, which is quite useful. Jupiter is quite essential. Why is it essential to Earth? Well, Jupiter is essential in the fact that, yes, it protects us. And the less objects coming towards Earth, that's probably for the better. Because, as we know, an asteroid was the one that wiped out all the dinosaurs back in the day, millions of years ago. The less objects coming towards Earth, the better. Another reason this helps support the rare Earth theory is because how do we have a planet? How is it possible that we have Jupiter out there, a planet that is a gas giant that has no relation to Earth, protecting us? That's just too perfect. That's for our gain. And my final thoughts, as I kind of went through earlier, the rare Earth theory, I believe, is a great theory. It has many great points. I do believe that this whole operation known as Earth happened by chance, and it is quite cool. We're quite unique in the universe. I think that's really rad. I do believe the rare Earth hypothesis is in fact true, and I do not believe that we will be finding an exact duplicate of Earth to the T out there in the universe for the time being. Anyways, here are my sources, all five of them. I thank you and have a good one. Take care.